Hey guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way how to change font in Squarespace. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. Just before I do so, I'd like to point your interest and awareness at a link in the description of this video, which will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. If you want to try this out, if you haven't got an account there already, that'll take you directly to your own free trial version of this. So make sure to give that a click if you're interested. Alright, to change font. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to your website. Then click on the Design tab in the top menu, and then select Site Styles. Once you're in the Site Styles menu, you'll see a list of options for customizing your site's design. Look for the Fonts section and click on it to expand the options. Here, you can see the different types of text on your site, such as headings and body text. To change the font for a specific type of text, simply click on the drop-down menu next to it and select the font you want to use. You can also customize other font options, such as font weight, size, and color. Once you've made your changes, be sure to save them by clicking the Done button in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it. So, like I said, don't forget to check out some nice tools in the description. Thanks for watching!